talk to me. Hello students, you have to unmute yourself if you have any confusion. We are doing this reading passage.
No, ma'am, no confusion.
No confusion. We are learning to do true, false and not given. Okay. We've already read the first paragraph. Marie Curie is probably the most famous woman scientist who has ever lived. Born Maria Sklodowska in Poland in 1867. She is famous for her work on radioactivity. So I underlined radioactivity and was twice a winner of the Nobel Prize. With her husband, Pierre Curie, and Henry Becquerel. She was awarded the 1903 Nobel Prize for Physics. Remember, physics के लिए उसको दो लोगों के साथ प्राइज मिला and was then sole winner of the 1911 Nobel Prize for Chemistry. Sole का मतलब पता है सबको? What is a sole winner?
Akela.
Akela, okay? Nobody else, yes. And one more important thing, she was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize. Wow. So let's go ahead. Now we are reading the second. From childhood, Mary was remarkable for her prodigious memory. And at the age of 16, won a gold medal on completion of her secondary education. Okay, so I'm going to, underline this also that she already won a gold medal at the age of 16. Fine. Because her father lost his savings through bad investments, she then had to take work as a teacher. So I'm going to underline this. From her earnings, she was able to finance her sister Bronia's medical studies in Paris. So one more important thing this girl did, what did she do? She financed her sister's medical studies on the understanding that Bronia would in turn, and why did she do it? Because in turn, matlab badle mein, later help her to get an education. In 1891, this promise was fulfilled and Mary went to Paris. Okay, Mary went to Paris and began to study at the Sorbonne. So there was a promise, it was fulfilled. उसने अपनी बहन की मदद की, टीचर बन के उसकी स्टडीज को हेल्प किया और इन रिटर्न में उसकी बहन ने भी किया. क्या इसमें कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है इंग्लिश में पढ़ते वक्त? Is there any problem? No.
No, ma'am.
She often worked far into the night and lived on little more than bread and butter and tea. Imagine, she really worked hard. She came first in the examination in the physical sciences in 1893 and in 1894 was placed second in the examination in mathematical sciences. It was not until the spring of that year that she was introduced to Pierre Curie. So that means in the spring, she met Pierre Curie. Okay, fine. Their marriage in 1895 marked the start of a partnership that was soon to achieve results of world significance. मतलब शादी के बाद उन दोनों की partnership में they did miracles together. Following Henry Becquerel's discovery in 1896 of a new phenomena which Mary later called radioactivity, Marie Curie decided to find out if the radioactivity discovered in uranium was to be found in other elements. तो जो यूरेनियम में मिला था उसने ढूंढा, उसने आगे ढूंढा इस चीज को and she discovered that this was true for thorium और उसने वाकई कोई चीज ढूंढ ली. So I am really going to underline this very clearly that it was true for thorium. Turning her attention to minerals, she found her interest drawn to pitchblende. Okay, and then there was some pitchblende, a mineral whose radioactivity superior to that of pure uranium could be explained only by the presence in the ore of small quantities of an unknown substance of very high activity. Now, Pierre Curie joined her in the work that she had undertaken to resolve this problem. क्योंकि छोटी छोटी चीजों में ही वो प्रूव कर पा रही थी and then led to the discovery of the new elements. So now there was another discovery of new elements and that is polonium and radium. While Pierre Curie devoted himself chiefly to the physical study. Now the husband totally was into physical study of the new radiations. Marie Curie struggled to obtain pure radium in the metallic state. This was achieved with the help of the chemist Andre Louis Debye, and there was someone, okay, with the help of whom she was able to do. Okay, now let's go to the next page. Yahan tak, is it difficult or easy? Is there any problem, guys?
No, ma'am.
No?
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
So I'm going to start with the next page now. Resume recording now. Marie Curie's pupils, okay? Based on the results of this research, Marie Curie
Ma'am, it hasn't opened yet.
Okay, just a second. Just a second. Let me resume the share. Okay, just a second. Now can you see? No?
No, ma'am.
Okay, just a second. Now I think you can see it. Now is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so should we
Yes.
start? Fine.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, Marie Curie's pupils, you know, students, they really helped. Based on the results of this research, Marie Curie received her doctorate of science, and in 1903, Mary and Perry shared with Becquerel the Nobel Prize. So, जो हमने starting में Nobel Prize के बारे में पढ़ा था, उन लोगों ने एक Nobel Prize share किया था और एक उसने सोल मिला था उसको, वो उसी के बारे में ये बोल रहा है, ठीक है? Now, the births of Mary's two daughters, Erin and Eve, in 1897 and 1904, failed to interrupt her scientific work. So, it failed to interrupt her scientific work. That means she did not stop working. She was appointed lecturer in physics at the École Normale Supérieure for Girls in Sèvres, France, and introduced a method of teaching based on एक्सपेरिमेंटल डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन, और उसने एक नया ही टीचिंग मेथड एक्सपेरिमेंट्स के ऊपर पढ़ाना शुरू किया. In December 1904, she was appointed chief assistant, okay, in the laboratory directed by Marie Curie. श्रद्धा, मेरे को ये लाइफ एंड वर्क ऑफ मैरी क्यूरी और दे देना ताकि मैं बच्चों को भी भेज पाऊँ. I want the papers. मेरे papers ना उड़ के नीचे गिर गए. Please give me that. Okay. There were two more papers. Please give me. Thank you. The sudden death of her husband, okay, in 1906 was a bitter blow to Marie Curie. So now what affected Marie Curie? When suddenly her husband died, okay?
Died.
Obviously, what is that blow? The blow was that her husband died, okay? But was also a turning point in her career. So this was also a turning point in her career. Henceforth, she was to devote all her energy to completing alone the scientific work that they had undertaken. On May 13, 1906, she was appointed to the professorship that had been left vacant on her husband's death. Now, whatever professorship was left vacant, she took over, becoming the first woman to teach at the Sorbonne. In 1911, she was awarded the Nobel Prize for Chemistry for the isolation of a pure form of radium. Okay, isolation means, now see, they are so smart, you know, they are going to use, Cambridge people, they are very smart. Isolation, soul, they're going to use different synonyms to check your vocabs, okay, whether you are able to understand or not. Now, during World War I, Marie Curie, with the help of her daughter Erin, devoted herself to the development of the use of X radiography, including the mobile units which came to be known as little Curies, used for the treatment of wounded soldiers. मतलब उसने वर्ल्ड वॉर में भी अपना योगदान दिया. In 1918, the Radium Institute, whose staff Erin had joined, began to operate in earnest and became a center for nuclear physics and chemistry. Marie Curie, now at the highest point of her fame, and from 1922 a member of the Academy of Medicine, researched the chemistry of radioactive substances and their medical applications. तो पूरी तरह से रेडियो एक्टिव चीजों पर काम कर रही थी अब मैडम. ओके, सो where did I go? Am I here?
Yes, ma'am.
Their medical applications. In 1921, accompanied by her two daughters, Marie Curie made a triumphant journey, that means victory, okay, to the United States to raise funds. Now she raised funds also for research on radium. Women there presented her with a gram of radium for her campaign. Mary also gave lectures in Belgium, Brazil, Spain, Czechoslovakia, and in addition had the satisfaction of seeing the development of the Curie Foundation in Paris and the inauguration in 1932 in Warsaw of the Radium Institute, where her sister Bronnie became director. Now her sister also became director. It's not about only daughters, okay? One of Marie Curie's outstanding achievement was to have understood the need to accumulate intense radioactive sources, not only to treat illness, but also to maintain an abundant supply of research. The existence in Paris at the Radium Institute of stock of 1.5 grams of radium made a decisive contribution to the success of the experiments undertaken in the years around 1930. This work prepared the way for the discovery of the neutron. और इसी वजह से वो न्यूट्रॉन की डिस्कवरी कर पाई by Sir James Chadwick, and above all for the discovery in 1934 by Erin and Frederick Curie of artificial radioactivity. A few months after this discovery, Marie Curie died as a result of leukemia. Very important. Why did she die? Caused by exposure to radiation. She had often carried test tubes containing radioactive isotopes in her pockets, remarking on the pretty blue-green light they gave off. Her contribution to physics had been immense, not only in her own work, the importance of which had been demonstrated by her two Nobel Prizes, but because of her influence on subsequent generations of nuclear physics and chemists. अब हम आ जाते हैं questions पे. Now we are going to come on questions, and questions हमारे हैं true false पर. Okay. Now what am I going to do here? First I'm going to clear. You have to tell me whether the statement is true, whether the statement is false, or whether the statement is not given. तो मैं आपको सबसे पहले दोनों पैराग्राफ्स भेज रही हूँ, and then you're going to tell me why do you think this is true, why do you think this is false, and why do you think this is not given. Okay, I'm going to help you, don't worry at all. Are you ready? So I have sent you okay. So I've sent to Aditi, Kinjal, Prashya, Neetu. आप पांचों को रीडिंग पैसेज मिल गया है. अब आपको ट्रू फॉल्स के लिए क्या करना जरूरी है, पहले मेरे साथ क्वेश्चन समझेंगी. सबसे पहले मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप अंडरलाइन कीवर्ड्स करना शुरू करो. माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज Marie Curie's husband was a joint winner of both Marie's Nobel Prizes. So I'm wait, don't be in a hurry. Marie Curie's husband joint winner. इन तीनों को मैं ढूंढूंगी फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में. नेक्स्ट. ओके, डोंट से द आंसर चैट में अकेले भेजना या मुझे फोन पर भेजना. लेट एवरीबॉडी ट्राई. नेक्स्ट. Mary became interested in science when she was a child. Interested in science when she was a child. Is it true? Is it false? Or they have not discussed anything about it, that whether she was interested or not. Third, Mary was able to attend Sorbonne because of her sister's financial contribution. So is the name of the college same or different? Be very careful. They are very smart. They are going to play with your head. Mary stopped doing research for several years when her children were born. So I'm going to say Mary stopped research. Did she stop research? Mary took over the teaching position. Mary took over. I'm going to underline took over. What did she took over? Teaching position. Her husband's teaching position. Maybe when he died. Mary's sister Bronia, her sister Bronia, studied the medical uses of radioactivity. Did she study the medical uses of radioactivity? These are the keywords I have marked. Now I'm giving you time, then we are going to discuss. Savings. Father lost all his savings, तो फिर मैरी ने क्या किया? She had to take work as a teacher. उसने as a teacher काम किया और उसके बाद in turn later help her to get an education. और उसकी बहन ने जब अपनी पढ़ाई खत्म कर ली तो उसने भी she fulfilled the promise and Mary went to Paris and began to study at the Sorbonne. So जो हमारा third question है वो क्या हो जाता है? सीधा सीधा true.
True.
Now the fourth question is Mary stopped doing research for several years when her children were born. जब उसकी शादी हुई और जब उसके दोनों बच्चे पैदा हुए तो क्या उसने काम करना छोड़ दिया था?
No, ma'am.
नहीं.
ये तो हमने पढ़ा ही था जब हम रीडिंग ही कर रहे थे. वी रेड है ना. शी नेवर एवर स्टॉप्ड हर स्टडीज, बल्कि एज अ टीचर उसने काम किया था. नेक्स्ट, जब उसके हस्बैंड की डेथ हुई थी तो क्या उसने अपने हस्बैंड का पोजीशन लिया था? डिड शी टेक हर हस्बैंड्स पोजीशन?
Yes, ma'am.
ये देखो यहाँ पे हस्बैंड डेथ, ठीक है. शी वॉज अपॉइंटेड टू द प्रोफेसर दैट हैड बीन लेफ्ट वेकेंट. तो वो वेकेंट क्यों हुआ था? क्योंकि उसके हस्बैंड
Because of her husband death.
यस. तो ये जो वेकेंट था, ठीक है, वो उसने शी वॉज अपॉइंटेड. तो यहाँ क्लियरली हमें पता चलता है फिफ्थ में दैट फिफ्थ इज ऑल्सो ट्रू. ओके. और ये देखो फोर्थ, द बर्थ ऑफ मैरीज टू डॉटर्स एरिन एंड एवे फेल्ड टू इंटरप्ट हर साइंटिफिक वर्क. फेल टू इंटरप्ट मतलब उसको कोई नहीं रोक पाया. नथिंग स्टॉप्ड हर. दैट्स व्हाई द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है कि उसने काम छोड़ दिया बच्चों के बाद, तो इट्स फॉल्स. और उसने फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन इज ट्रू क्योंकि उसने हाँ अपने हस्बैंड की जगह पे उसको अपॉइंटमेंट मिला था. नाउ लास्ट क्वेश्चन, मैरी सिस्टर ब्रोनिया studied the medical uses of radioactivity. अब उसने रेडियो एक्टिविटी पढ़ी या नहीं पढ़ी इसके बारे में कुछ भी नहीं है. वो डायरेक्टर जरूर बनी, ठीक है. शी बिकेम द डायरेक्टर, हमने ये जरूर पढ़ा है, बट उसने पढ़ी या नहीं पढ़ी इसके बारे में कुछ भी नहीं दिया गया है. ओके. देयर इज नथिंग गिवन अबाउट हर सिस्टर. उसकी सिस्टर की एक ही जगह यहाँ पे बात हो रही है. देखो ये दैट शी बिकेम द डायरेक्टर हियर.
Yes.
हाँ, और वो तो एक मेडिकल स्टूडेंट थी, ठीक है. सो ब्रोनिया बिकेम द डायरेक्टर. उसने पढ़ाई वढ़ाई की, इससे कोई रिलेटेड चीजें नहीं है. उसकी बेटियों ने की, उसने की, सब जगह यही बात है. तो इस तरह से हमारे ट्रू, फॉल्स एंड नॉट गिवन प्रॉपरली करेक्ट हो जाते हैं. अब मैं आपको फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स भेज रही हूँ और 1 मिनट में ये मीटिंग खत्म हो जाएगी. ओके. So you can
Yes,
send me
ma'am.
the fill in the blanks answers and reconnect. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. हाँ ठीक है. Wow. Very nice. Just tell her ना